An enormous two-bedroom condo with views of Belmont Harbor, quick access to Lakeshore Drive and the express bus to the city, where East Lakeview meets Lakefront jogging and biking trails. This home has it all. Unit 6B is at the front of 3150 Lakeshore Drive, so the views of the lake are unobstructed. With over 1,650 square feet and large picture windows, this expansive space is luxurious. There are only 2 homes per elevator foyer, so it's very private. The open living dining floor plan is flexible with 2 areas for harbor viewing plus a large media area. The kitchen is updated, efficient, and you have your own private trash chute. Freshly painted throughout, the bathrooms are sleek and the enormous bedrooms leave room for desks, dressers, beds, and sitting areas. The closet space is so wonderful, plus there's a storage unit too. 3150 North Lakeshore Drive offers fabulous amenities: outdoor pool, roof sun deck, library, playroom, valet parking, and the 24-hour door staff is friendly and accommodating. Make an appointment to see this wonderful unit today.